Good morning, everybody. It is April the 14th, and my ads have stopped converting. And so we're going to talk about that. So today, people are always pretty amazed at my click-through rates. So I figure I'll just show them. So this is today, and let's go to yesterday. Let's go to yesterday. Is it? Let's see. Today. All right. So, okay, now let's look at the performance. All right. So I got 3 home improvement leads here. Let's refresh the screen really quick. All right. So from yesterday, do you remember? Well, if you look at my video from yesterday, this one was getting, I had like 6 leads at like $1.27, and now I got nothing, right? Scroll up here. Again, ignore the solar. 3 leads, or 2 leads here for $1.74. 3 leads here for $1.14. So this is why you never really judge everything on the first day. So what I do know is that this ad down here is still good, but for some reason or another, it's not performing today. Let's look at what happened yesterday. So yesterday, this one only got 2 leads at $7 or $3.71 before I actually turned it off. I know I said I was gonna wait till I spent $20. I lied. This one got nothing, so I turned it off, and these 2 did pretty good. Let's scroll down here. And then this one got 9 leads for $1.14, right? So why does Facebook do that? The truth is, Facebook is different every day. So I know that even though, and this is why I do so many ads, right? Some people just put like 1 ad up or 2 ads up, and they see that they're performing okay, and they leave it alone. Not me. I don't like to do that because it leaves too much up to chance for Facebook to set you up to fail. Facebook doesn't really care about you like that. So what's going to happen is you're going to see the results fluctuate. Now, I am pleasantly surprised that this one is picking up steam because I didn't know whether or not it would. Now, the 4th one, this right here seems to be the only one consistent so far in not getting results. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this another day or 2, and I'm going to cut number 4 off. But you can see the other ones are still, picking up traction. And the day's not over yet. It's only 11:04. Look at today. Yep, it's only 11:04. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to chill out. It's not the end of the world. It's only day number 2 or 3. It's only day number 2 for this campaign. So I'm just going to chill out. I'm going to give it another day or 2 because I know this one caught fire before. I'm going to check the comments. I'm going to make sure people are not saying stupid stuff on the comments. If they are saying stupid stuff on the comments, I'm going to ban and delete them. I've been doing that for almost 4 years too. Some people say, oh, just hide the comments. No, I ban and delete people. You're not going to be wasting up my advertising money, because when you hide it, Facebook will still show that ad to the person who made the negative comment. And so I'm not spending my money on people who are not going to buy anything anyway. And so that's the way that is. But yeah, if you have Facebook ads that did really, really good the first day, really good the first day, but then the next day it was just like they just bombed. Just give it some time. It's actually a very, very normal part of Facebook, and that's really it. So I'm not gonna panic. I know this is business as usual. It's just another day in the office. So that's it. If you have any questions, my information is down below in the description box. Hope you all are staying safe. But I wanted to make this follow-up video because this is perfect, so you all can see that every day is different, and sometimes another ad will start winning and you don't know why, but that's why you have to duplicate these ads. You got to have like 5 or 6 going at the same time so that you can you don't have to worry about, am I getting leads today? This is why I duplicate things so many times at the campaign level, not at the ad set level. So hopefully this helps someone. Hope y'all are staying safe out there. Talk to you later.